Hi, let me go through the network file first. This is cost function, and yeah, I wrote this part. So, and I also did softmax and tonnage and its derivative. Also, I created a likelihood function and ReLU function, and also I wrote this part. Uh, to see if the output aggregation function is tonnage and the cost function is not cross entropy, and we will give a warning and set the cost function to cross entropy. And the same as this part. And this is what I wrote for feed forward. Basically, it looked for the second last layers. Not layer, but yeah, this is just compute the hidden layer, and this is output layer. Hmm. And I didn't modify anything about the SGD function. And to the update mini batch, I wrote the dropout, and this is a percentage that remain after dropout. And we don't want to drop out the input layer, so I set the start layer at 1. And yeah, and yeah, I create a weight mask and set the weight mask start at the second element as a weight drop, so that we don't touch the self weights. So this is a regularization, and this is just a formula. And I should point it out that the L1, I got an error in this line, 3, 4, 7, but I make sure the signal is an array, and I tested on my notebook. The function just works on my end. I don't know why the error occurred, so I just commented out so that I can do the other work. So the rest is just the formulas, and the same thing as dropout. And yeah, the total cost, just the formulas, and yeah, there's nothing else about the network file. So let's quickly go through the application code. Let me restart the kernel and see. Yeah, it works. Yeah, this is a sigmoid cross entropy. Um, Next is sigmoid softmax and cross entropy. And sigmoid softmax and likelihood. And ReLU, softmax, and cross entropy. Um, the cost is 0, but it's a little weird. But I don't know why so far. And ReLU, softmax, and likelihood, same problem. And TiG, sigmoid, and quadratic. And TiG, quadratic. Oh, also got a cost problem. I don't know if it is right. And the regularization part, the L2 shows here. So I just comment the L1 out so I can run this code and sigmoid, quadratic, and drop out 10%. Yeah. And drop out 50%. So I guess that's it. Thank you.